But feels good. It's so warm for this time of year. I think it'd be like colder, but it's really not. So feels good. Pretty cool. Now I'm just walking down here, trying to avoid the sun. That's crazy, like there's sun behind me, all the skies are blue. Then you turn around and you've got darkness. The sky's just black up there. But that's Florida. So this is actually my favorite beach in Florida. Even though it's about 2 hours from where I live, it's still my favorite beach because it's got nice sand. It's got really warm water. I mean, it's November and look how many people are like in the water. I like it. Anyway, my hands are getting tired. I don't want to drop this in the sand, so. I'm Anthony from Clearwater Beach. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite beach is. And yeah, so until next time, see ya.